Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to be addressing the issue of the AirPods that are not charging or are not turning on. So there are actually several tips and tricks that you can try in the comfort of your own home. So the very first thing that I recommend you to try is to actually go ahead and inspect the charging port and also the cable for your AirPods as well. So if either of the lightning cable is malfunctioning or if it's very dirty, this actually may be causing the issue for your AirPods not to charge. And additionally, you just want to go ahead and maybe try a different cable or a different outlet to ensure that it's actually not the cable or the outlet that might be at fault. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and inspect the AirPod charging port. And if you can see any dirt or any grime in there, the next thing you want to do is actually to go ahead and remove that lint and dirt from there. So one of the best ways to do this is to go ahead and get a toothbrush, and you just want to thoroughly get in there and remove any dirt or grime that may have been built up, as this actually may be preventing the AirPod case from charging, which will result in your AirPods not being able to turn on. And additionally, you can go ahead and maybe get a toothpick, a Q-tip, or even a paper clip as a last resort, and you can just go ahead in there and dislodge any dirt or debris that may have been built up. So after you've gone ahead and tried that step, the next thing I would recommend is to actually go ahead and open up the AirPods case and just remove the AirPods. And you actually want to go ahead and clean the charging case and also the AirPods themselves, as if you have any dirt or lint build up in the AirPods, this will actually prevent the actual AirPods from charging and will result in them not connecting to your iPhone. So one of the best ways to do this is to go ahead and get a Q-tip or a piece of tissue and maybe like a pen, and you just want to thoroughly get in there and remove any dirt or grime that may have been building up over the time of using your AirPods. And you can also use a torch to inspect in there and to see if there's any dirt or grime, and you can dislodge this as well. And alternatively, you can actually go ahead and cut the Q-tip on an angle, and you can use this kind of as a scraping tool to get any dirt out of there as well. And additionally, you want to actually go ahead and charge the base of the AirPods. And as you can see here, these are metallic, and this actually allows the AirPod battery to charge via the case. So again, you want to get a piece of tissue or a Q-tip, and then just go ahead and clean these thoroughly and remove any grease or grime that may have been building up. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this on the other side as well. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to try is to actually go ahead and charge your AirPods through the cable from either a laptop or computer, as sometimes the wall socket might be at fault, and this is just an addition of the first step. And also, if you are using a wireless charger, you also want to go ahead and try this method as well. And additionally, if you are using any cases on your AirPods, this actually may be preventing it from charging wirelessly as well. So now that we've gone ahead and addressed the hardware issues on the AirPods, the next thing I would recommend is to actually go ahead and reset them, as it actually may be a software issue. So to reset the AirPods, you have this button on the back, and you just want to go ahead and press this for around 30 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And as soon as I do that, the light starts to flash white and it goes on and off. And I'm just going to keep pressing this until it goes amber. And that just lets me know that they have now reset, and then I can do a new connection between my iPhone and the AirPods. So as you can see, they're now amber, so that just lets me know that they have now reset. And now I can go and reconnect them to my iPhone or iPad device. So now I'm going to go and press connect. And this will just take a couple of moments, and now I can go ahead and press done. So there you have it guys. Hopefully by now the AirPods are now reconnected to your iPhone device and are now charging and turning on. So hopefully this quick video has been helpful for you. If you've come up with your own fixes or solutions, please share them down below in the comment section, as you'll be literally helping hundreds if not thousands of other AirPod users out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.